guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Precious and today we are going to be doing a revamp upcycle situation. I have this chest of drawers and basically it looks so old and it's been loved, so I want to give it more love by just making it look a bit more modern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment and like. I am getting so much love. Thank you so much, you guys. I went to a few shops to get supplies for this project and I thought I'll just show you guys what I'm going to be using before we start. So let's do that right now. Okay, so the first items we have are handles. I'm going to be changing the handles of the chest of drawers completely. The chest of drawers does have 6 sections, so because of that I obviously had to get 6 handles. These handles were 25 Rand each and I bought them from Boulders. The next item I have is this stripping knife. I basically had to get this because the chest of drawers handles are glued on, so I'm going to need to hit that off. So because of the sharp edge that this thing has, I got this to basically knock it out. This was 50 Rand. The next item I got was this foam roller. I am going to be painting the chest of drawers a different color. It was 25 Rand as well. Okay, so the next item is paint. It is in the color Mocha Chocolate. This was 289 Rand. Basically, I spoke to a shop assistant and he told me that if I buy this one, I wouldn't need to buy a varnish. So I actually saved a bit of coin. I thought I'd just go a completely different color. Hopefully it does go with my room when I'm done with it. The next and last item is this mouse sander. I wanted to get a sandpaper machine because it's going to take forever to sandpaper this entire chest of drawers, and not just that, but I could possibly use it in the future as well. Okay, so that's cool. It comes with a bag. Oh, cool. Okay, it comes with a bag that you can actually put the machine in. So I didn't need to buy sandpaper for this specific machine at the moment. I read the box before I bought it, so I knew that it comes with stuff. Okay, so you basically just stick it on. It is Velcro, so it's super easy. This was 400 Rand and I bought this at Pick n Pay Hyper. All the other items I got from Boulders. But without further ado, let's get this video started. Okay guys, so after hitting this 1,000 times, I realized that you actually need to just pull the thing out at the end. This is super difficult. It's actually gonna take a lot longer than I actually thought. So yeah, let's carry on and see what happens. The first section is done. I am going to be moving on to the others, but I mean, this completely threw me off. I thought that the handles were glued on. I'm going to have to go to the shop and buy wood filler to replace the hole that is now there, because as you can see, this handle isn't going anywhere near those holes, so I'm definitely going to have to fix that up. But yeah, let's move on to sandpapering. Okay guys, so Corona Vibes has us ready. I have a mask, so let's put that on and do the things. Guys, I'm busy ironing. Okay guys, so I'm so sorry about the lighting. I did have to move inside because it was raining like cats and dogs and I still I never finished sanding the entire cupboard. So because that is an electrical situation, I had to move it inside, so I've had to cover up a lot of my things just so that the dust wouldn't go too many places. But yeah, I ended up using 2 P80 sandpapers for the entire cupboard. Right now I'm going to be filling the holes that obviously came from where the knobs were that I didn't know about. I bought this Smith & Co, and yeah, it's basically just the wood filler. So there are quite a few variety of colors. I chose this one because I was too scared of something happening when I paint, so we went with a more peachy light brown color. Okay, I am going to be using KFC spoons. Thank goodness for KFC. I'm going to use these two to fill it. Okay, so I am going to finish the rest off camera, but before I do that, I just wanted to say that it is going to take about 2 to 3 hours to dry, so I'm going to wait the entire 3 hours just to be safe. I am going to be pouring in the paint into this paint thingy, and then we are going to start painting. So let's open it. I'm actually also really excited to see the color. Oh wow! Okay, I was not expecting this. It's like a very light gray. It's so cute. I really like it. I know you're supposed to stir this, but I'm just going to pour it all in there. It's like I'm not. No, it's just a no. Okay, that was so cool. This looks so nice and it's so shiny, glossy. Okay, so I am going to attempt drilling now. I tried a few before and it seemed to work, so I'm just going to go in again. Also, I have measured out precisely where I want the handle to go. Hopefully that goes well too. Let's see what happens. So over here I'm going in again because I used the smaller one. This is a 3.5. So this was a 3.2. So I'm just going in over that because it's too small. Okay guys, it is evening now. Oh my word, it's so late. So much time doing all of this because I need to wait for the paint to dry and I didn't take all that into consideration. And the paint is so wet. But anyway, I've painted a lot of everything right now. So what I'm doing now is I'm just sanding off the wood filler. I did already do it, didn't think of recording, so I'm just going to go over one more time to make it smooth as we can, and then I am going to paint the front, and then I think I'll just leave it to dry overnight and then I'll screw in the handles tomorrow. Okay guys, so it is the following day again. This has taken me forever. The process was a lot longer than I thought that it would initially be, and also the wood filler was such a disaster that I'm basically going to have to redo the filling. I'm definitely going to buy a different product and fill this again, but at the later stage, because I do really want to post this video, and if I do the filling first, I won't be able to post the video anytime soon. So we are just making work with what we have at the moment. I'm busy putting the handles on at the moment. Then when I'm done putting the handles on, I'll show you guys the end product. Okay, so it does feel pretty solid. So I'm going to put it into the holder and then we'll see what that looks like. This is the end product. The sides where the initial handles were is looking quite terrible, but besides that flaw, I'm quite happy with this being my first DIY project. Like I said, I will definitely be trying to fix this, but definitely at the later stage, because I need to basically work on other projects, and also I have a lot of schoolwork. So when I have time, I will redo just the filling of the gaps that are there. I might need to take the handles off, but that's fine for a day where I really have a lot of time on my hands. This is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed that entire process. I came straight into an outro because I know I'm going to be I knew I was going to be a bit dirty after. So I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching my video to this point. And I do hope you guys have an amazing week ahead, and I'll see you next time. Bye!